everyone, it's Michelle from Touch. And today we're going to do a rustic pinecone centerpiece. Of course, you're going to need your pine cones, and then you're going to need a dry foam block. I'm going to cut that and put that in our little galvanized steel bucket here I got from Tractor Supply Company. You will also need to use a 3.7 by 8.9 inch floral foam cone right here. And then, of course, we're going to use some glitter, any color if you're choosing. I switch it up and use gold later on. But you're also going to need some spray adhesive, some clear coat, of course, your glue sticks, and then brown burlap. And I use this. We're going to wrap it around the cone just so it adheres better with the glue onto the pine cone. And then, of course, our ribbon of your choosing for a tree skirt. So what we're going to do here is just take the burlap and wrap it by gluing and pinning it around the cone. And this just gives it a better material for the pine cone and the glue to adhere itself to. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be back. So what I'm doing here is just putting the foam into the pail, and then I'm going to cut with the knife. And what I'm doing is keeping the knife flush with the lid or the lip of the pail as I'm cutting, just to get a nice, smooth, flat surface. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, this is wired ribbon, and we are going to take one of the wires, not both, just one, and we're going to pull the wire out as we pull the ribbon down, and this creates a nice ruffle effect. Once we're done with this, we are going to glue this to the lip of the pail all the way around. So our tree skirt's now done. So now we're going to take the foam cone and just glue it to the foam base that's in the bucket. And then once we're done with that, we're going to just start attaching our pine cones by gluing them, starting from the bottom, working our way around and all the way up. Okay, so I'm taking the adhesive spray and lightly spraying the pine cones and then sprinkling the glitter over the tree. And then I take my clear coat and I will seal the glitter onto the tree after that. You can go ahead and put a bow on top. I did end up putting a bow here, but I didn't show you in the video. Or you can put a star on top, whatever your heart's desire. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.